my name is Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. I am almost 7 months pregnant and about to be 27 weeks. Probably by the time you're watching it, maybe closer to 28 weeks. But we are almost in the third trimester. Almost in the third trimester, which means we've got to get the nursery ready. So some people might think this is way too early to have your nursery done, which is totally fine, but in my opinion, I just wanted it pretty much all the way done by the time my third trimester came around, so I can focus on labor prep, going to birth classes with my husband, meeting with my doula, and just prepping for labor and birth and breastfeeding in the future if I end up doing that. So that's just my opinion. I just didn't want to be like super just not feeling great or just so tired, just feeling huge and having to set up a nursery. But everybody is different, and whatever timeline you choose, that is the one for you. I don't really have like a set theme for the nursery. I guess you could call it like woodland animal vibes or woodland with butterflies, I guess. So let's get into the video. So if the product is not linked down below, unfortunately that means that it's just sold out or I couldn't find it, but I'm gonna try to link everything that I can that I have used that's in the nursery, furniture wise or product wise, just in general. So yes, and then stay tuned for my registry. My baby registry video should be coming very soon, and I hope that can help you guys, because that was the one thing that was super hard. I kept adding things, taking things away. So that'll be coming soon, but let's get into the nursery tour. So this room is definitely very small, but we are making do with it. So when you come into baby girl's nursery, you'll see this pretty much right away, and it is her dresser and I guess you could say changing table or changing station. In my opinion, I don't see the point of having a separate changing table and a separate dresser, especially if you're like us and you don't have a lot of space in the room. Then I just suggest making a 2-in-1. So this dresser from IKEA is so popular for nurseries because of the amount of drawers, the height of it. I love that it's tall, and I really just knew that I wanted this right when I saw it because of the height. Because when you're changing the baby, you don't want to like be leaning over or, you know, on something that's too low. You know, so I do love that it is a perfect height. I would say it comes to a little bit higher than my hip, and you know, it's easy to just go ahead and change her on it or you know, do that. So that is that. This little changing table or changing pad is from Movi. Personally, I do wish it was more like a neutral color or a tan, just to go with the room a little bit better, but this really pretty gray color is really nice as well. So it comes in this grayish blue color. You can get like a different little band or I guess seat belt is what I don't know what you would call this, little strap to strap them in. You can get that in different colors. I just chose to do the silver color in case we have a boy in the future and we use it. But you can do like a pink or a blue or a green, and then I love that you can just wipe it clean. I know it's personal preference, but for me, I just really wanted something that I can wipe clean and that I don't have to, you know, wash if it gets stained from changing her diapers. And of course in the middle of the night, I don't want it to be like cold or like feel, you know, too cold for her or something, or if it's a super cold night, I'll put a blanket over it or like a burp cloth or something to make it more cozy. But just in general, I really like that. I love that there are so many drawers and different size drawers in this dresser. The actual dresser comes with black knobs, but I decided to switch them out and do wooden round knobs from Amazon. I think they were like $6, and they came with like 10 or something knobs, so we even have extra, which is nice. I have a little, what's it called? A little pot from Target with olive leaves from Etsy, and then this mini lamp is super cute, and I just wanted something really small but will give off light in the middle of the night or when we're winding down for bedtime. So I like that it's not too big because, like I said, we don't have a lot of room in this room, and also we want to utilize as much changing space as we can, so a smaller lamp was the way to go. And then this changing little diaper caddy is from Temu. You can find them on Amazon as well, but I love just the neutral colors, of course, and I didn't realize it until I put it next to the lamp, but it kind of mimics the lamp with two-tone colors, which is cool. And then unfortunately, I'm so sad. I know I'm gonna get so many questions about this mirror. It is sold out. I've had it for 3-4 years now, ever since we got married. I purchased it and I almost gave it away last year. I'm like, we don't use it and this house is small, where are we gonna put it? And I was like, you know, if I have a girl, I wanna keep it. So let's wait to find out the gender and then I will keep it. So I'm glad that I kept it because it's this really pretty floral detail of gold around the mirror, and I think it's perfect for a little girl's nursery, and I'm so sad because I haven't been able to find it anywhere. It is from Target though, so if you want to look or do a deep dive of Target mirrors, then maybe try to find that. This mobile is from Etsy. It is so cute. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Everything from this mobile company is so sweet. I do wish I got the butterfly one now, but this one is so pretty as well, and I just love it. So she can look up at it when we're changing her. I know some people put it over the crib, but it just looked a little bit better here, and also I don't want it to be like a distraction when she's trying to sleep. I don't know if that's really a thing for babies, but just in case, we just put it over the changing table. And this little guy up here is actually a bookshelf that I flipped over so we can hang little cute clothes on here. So I have some of my favorites. This one's from Kohl's. The dress in the back is from Carter's, and then the pink one in the middle is from a Instagram company that sent it to me. And that Instagram company is called Angel Deer. Super cute little like tutu looking thing, but I love that. And then we will move over to the side. Oh, we also decided to hang curtains. I know this really doesn't block any light, but it kind of diffuses light. It's kind of nice just to have. And the real deal is the blackout shades. So you'll see here that they just roll down, and these are from Amazon, and you can see kind of how dark it made it. I do have 2 lamps on in here, so it's still a little bit light, but it does make it very dark. We have these in all of the bedrooms in our house, so I want to make sure it's like dark for her nap time and going to sleep, because if she's anything like me, she won't be able to fall asleep unless there's blackout curtains. And then over here we have the little glider rocking chair. This is from Da Vinci. It also comes out with the feet, and it is just so comfortable. My one tip for a recliner and glider or rocker is just making sure that the back is high enough so you can rest your head back, because I have seen a few gliders that are just so short and they stop right here, and then you can't relax with your baby and take a nap if you need to. Or something, because it's not tall enough. So that's a tip. And then once this reclines and the feet go out, this can actually go pretty much all the way back. So if I pull it away from the wall, I can go all the way back, but it does go back far enough, even close to the wall. Lamp is an old lamp from Target, and this little frame is a gold matted frame from Target as well, and the bunny print in it is Etsy. I had bunnies in my nursery, and so did my husband, so I thought it'd be cute if we put a little bunny in here. These butterfly decals are from Etsy. Unfortunately, I can't show you this whole wall because her name sign is on it. I'm excited to show you the name sign. It is also from Etsy, and an amazing Etsy shop that does their own wooden signs, but I can't show you right now. But the decals I can link below. Really pretty butterflies, comes with a lot in one pack, and I just did them amongst her name sign. Okay, I kind of had to bring you lower. So then we have her bookshelves on this side of the wall, which is like kind of her closet wall. We have a mirrored closet, and I will be working on organizing the closet, so if you want to see a baby closet tour of organizing, let me know once I am done with that. We have her crib here. This is the Baby Leto crib, and I do love the kind of block legs on it. I feel like it kind of gives it a modern look. And this is the Hudson crib from Baby Leto. Super cute. I love the pinkish wood color for a girl. And then the last thing that I will be putting out once she's here, or once she starts doing tummy time, are these mats from House of Noah. You've got to check out their play mats. They're really thick, really squishy, and they just click in together like a puzzle piece. I don't know if you can see that here, but this is the fawn brown color. It's a little purpley brown in person. The playmats will be really pretty for the ground, kind of looking like a carpet, but it is doing a different purpose in the purpose of having something soft for her to play on or lay on or do tummy time. So I love those playmats from House of Noah. I think I got the 4x6 size, so it's a little bit small, but like I said, for this room it is perfect because it is a small room. Okay, and that is all for Baby Girl's Nursery. Thank you so much for watching this video and, you know, staying along with me. Oh, I forgot to show these little cute glasses. These are so cute. Cute little glasses and this little cake topper. It says Sweet Baby Girl, which I'll be using for my baby shower and the cake. But that's all. Thanks so much for watching this nursery tour. I hope I give you some ideas for your nursery. And like I said, if there isn't a link for something down below, it's unfortunately because I can't find it because it's sold out, but I will try to do my best. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.